Alam mo ba, ang dating car sales agent na si V. Cortez ay kumikita na ngayon ng sobrang daming pera, which is milyon-milyon. Pero ang totoong rason kung bakit niya na-reach ang level na to, hindi negosyo, hindi pera, isang skill na hindi pa rin alam ng karamihan ng mga business owners ngayon. And probably, ito rin ang dahilan kung bakit hindi pa nagte-10x ang negosyo mo. Hindi dahil sa kulang ka sa sipag, hindi mo lang alam yung skill na nagpaangat kay V. Cortez kung ano meron siya ngayon. Yo, what's up? My name is Real Talk Darbs. Yes guys, dating car agent si V. Cortez noon. Literal na zero connections, zero investors. Pero ngayon, may sarili ng empire. Ano siyang V-Line, cosmetics, and franchises. At kumikita ng milyon-milyon buwan-buwan ayon sa mga public estimates. And most people think yumaman lang daw siya dahil sa negosyo. Pero ang totoo, negosyo niya is just the effect. At may ginawa kasi si V bago pa nagsimula ang lahat. Pero ito ang hindi alam ng karamihan. Now, let me give you a brief context. V. Cortez. Sa totoo lang, sabi niya, ayaw niya talagang mag-content noon. Hindi siya passionate doing this. Na-influensyahan lang siya ng kanyang asawa na si Kong TV.
Nung nag-start ako mag-vlog, sinabi kasi ni Kong na mag-vlog na rin ako eh. And pumayag ako. Since may tiwala ako kay Kong, pumayag din ako na sige, mag-vlog din ako. So sabi ko, ang gusto ko talaga magkaroon ng negosyo pag lumaki ako.
Dito, nagbago ang buhay niya. Kasi the moment ang nakita siya ng tao, naging natural siya. Walang arte, walang pili. People loved her for her bungis-ngis na tawa. And her followers connected to her deeply. Hindi lang sila fans, they became die-hard supporters. They felt like family. Kaya nung naglabas siya ng product niya, boom, pinili lahat ng audience niya. Kaya lumaki ang brands niya. Kaya sumabog ang sales. Kaya naging milyonarya. And who knows, baka bilyonarya na si B ngayon. Not because of business first, but because of influence first. Ngayon, good news. Mas madali nang mag-create ng content kesa before. Hindi mo na kailangan pagdaanan ang hirap na pinagdaanan ni V to create and build social media followings. Kasi, libre mag-post, libre mag-build ng audience. At this is now the golden era of opportunity. But the bad news is, maraming business owners hindi marunong gumawa ng content na pinapanood ng tao. Walang influence. Wala din silang audience. Kaya hindi lumalaki ang negosyo nila. And this is where I would come in. Hi, my name is Real Talk Darbs, content marketing expert, founder of House Creatives, a company dedicated of helping entrepreneurs create content that converts. We have helped more than 50,000 Filipino entrepreneurs already create content that converts. And our mission is to help business owners na makapag-breakthrough gamit ang content. Yung skill na nagpaangat kay V,
which is content creation. And what if kaya mo na ding matutunan yun ng mabilis?
So, how? That's why I'm exclusively inviting you sa Content That Converts. And by the way, we want to reach a lot of people. That's why we're giving it away for free. This December 13, 1 to 7 p.m. live via online. If you sign up on the next 2 minutes, you will get it for free and at the same time, mananalo ka pa ng iPhone 17 Pro Max fully paid. Perfect ito para sa mga business owners na gustong gumawa ng high quality content with minimal efforts. Screenshot this or check the link below para makapag-register ka. So, ano nga bang matutunan mo dito sa Content That Converts? Dito ituturo namin sa inyo on how to create effective video content, how to make viral-worthy videos, and how to build influence kahit zero lang ang followers mo. Matututunan mo din dito on how to 10x your business through content creation. And ituturo ko sa iyo ang video scripting, recording, and editing techniques na kahit zero knowledge ka, matututo ka pa rin. The exact blueprint na ginamit ng House Creatives at tinuturo namin sa mga successful business owners din na graduates ng aming programs. This is taught by my battle-tested team, the same team behind creators and brands that's generating millions of views and millions of peso in sale. Usually, the value of this is 100,000 pesos, but we're giving it away for free. So, what are you waiting for? If gusto mo din magkaroon ng opportunity, just like how V uses the social media platform to boost her business, please register right now because the slots will be limited because this is free. We cannot accommodate everyone. So, click the link below and sign up and see you sa Content That Converts live via online. This is Real Talk Darbs, founder of House Creative, saying, come with us or watch us win.